Thank you
Thank you
for being my daddy's
for being my daddy's
1,000th
1,000th
subscriber.
subscriber.
Good.
So in all seriousness, the aviation community has been amazingly supportive, and the feedback has been great. So I'm having a lot of fun making these videos. They're mostly self-analysis flying videos. I want to thank Dog Walker Dude for being number 1,000. It's a pretty cool milestone to reach. I kind of accidentally stumbled upon this format of being occasionally self-deprecating as I self-analyze, but people seem to like my voiceovers and illustrations and graphics and so on as I share my experiences as a private pilot staying current. Early on I thought to myself I might monetize if I ever broke 1,000 subscribers, but I think at this point I'm realizing I just enjoy doing it for the love of sharing. I might try to figure out a way to get some kind of donation system going in the future, but for now I just want to say thanks and keep on keeping your flight chops sharp.